Good morning, sir.
Yeah, we'll continue. Problems on divergent and curl. Okay, in a different way they will give. So yesterday we solved some problems. So it is given the vector directly. Vector is required to calculate divergent and curl. Okay, so that vector they may give directly or they may give in indirectly. So that you have to analyze the problem. Okay, we'll continue that problem. Take down. Find div f and curl f. Next problem. Just yes, I think it is fourth problem, no? Just I'll write some stuff. Find div f and curl f. Find div f and curl f where f equals del of x cube plus y cube plus z cube, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So this is one question. So you have to calculate div f and curl f where f is equal to del into. So can you analyze this problem? Anyone? To calculate divergent and curl, we required f. Is it right? Vector is required, but vector is given indirectly. What is RHS actually? F is equal to? Am audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is F? What is RHS actually? Del into what? It is on scalar. Okay, x cube plus y cube plus z cube. See, without a unit vector side jk means it is a scalar. Scalar we are represented as phi. So it is given f is equal to del phi. Del phi is nothing but gradient, grad phi. Okay, take down. Given f equals del phi where x minus 3xyz. Okay, so f is equal to grad phi. This implies f equals. So what is the formula of grad phi? Gradient. Dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Okay, so phi is given. This is phi. If you want to substitute, you can substitute phi for each derivative, or you can differentiate directly. So as you wish. So I will go with the direct differentiation. So differentiate phi with respect to x. This is phi. This one we have to differentiate with respect to x. You will get 3x square. 3x square, x cube differentiation is 3x square, y cube 0, z cube 0, minus 3yz. Is it right? I can.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, do it the same repetition with respect to y and with respect to z. So phi with respect to y. Phi with respect to y means y cube differentiation is 3y square.
3y
So
square minus
x cube z
3x
cube 0 minus 3
3x.
xz into j cap. Plus similarly the last one 5 with respect to z 3z square
3z square minus 3xy
k cap. Okay, so see this is our problem, our vector. So the f actually in the previous three problems you can see, you can observe it is given directly. Okay, if f is given, it is a minimum requirement to calculate divergent and curl. So here they may give f in a different way. So gradient, and we know that gradient of a scalar converts into a vector only. So that is now this is our problem. So this you can take it as f1 first component. This is f2. Okay, and this is f3 third component. Okay, now consider div f. So, consider div f that is equal to del dot f. Del dot f. If you write the symbol, then you can understand at least. So what is del dot f formula? Anyone?
Dou f1 by dou x.
Yes.
Plus dou f2 by dou y. Plus dou
Dou
f3 by dou z.
Yes. Without ijk. Okay. Dou f3 by dou z. Without ijk. This is dot product. So now that is equal to dou by dou x of f1. I will substitute 3x square minus 3yz plus dou by dou y of f2 3y square minus 3xz plus dou by dou z of f3 3z square minus 3xy. Okay, so that is equal to, yes, differentiate
6x
partially with respect to x, 6x
plus 6y
6x
plus 6z.
very good.
plus 6y
6x
plus 6z.
6y plus 6z. So this is div f or del dot f. Okay, so this is one solution. So this is also if there are 6 marks or 7 marks, 2 marks for calculating vector f by using gradient, 2 marks for divergent, it is simple. And if it is a 7 marks, we will allot 3 marks for curl. Okay, 3 marks for curl. Now take down, do it for curl now. So again, consider curl f. Consider curl f. This is our question. So that curl f can also be denoted as del cross f. Okay. Now that is equal to determinant. So leave some spaces between ijk. Del component of del is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and I is component of f is 3x square.
3x square minus 3yz.
3yz. Next
3y
square minus
3xz.
3xz.
3z square.
Yes, is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So just I am connecting my mobile data, so sometimes network will down. Okay, there will be a disturbance. Okay, 3z square minus 3xy. Okay. Yes, as usual, plus minus plus. Yes, differentiate. That is equal to I cap into. So this is little bit lengthy curl. So do it slowly, no problem. Dou by I cap into means the first column, first row, leave it. Dou by dou y of. Dou by dou
3z
y
square.
of
3z square minus 3xy.
3xy. Okay. Minus
Minus Dou by dou z.
Hmm.
3y square minus 3xz.
Minus 3y square minus 3xz. Okay, minus j cap into particular column, particular row, dou by dou x of
3z square minus
yes minus 3xy minus dou by dou z of 3x square
Minus
minus
3yz.
3y. And the last one plus k cap into
Dou by dou x.
dou by dou x of
3y square minus 3xz.
3y square minus 3xz minus dou by dou
Dou
y
by
of
dou y. 3x square minus 3yz.
3x square minus 3yz. Okay, now do it. Curl f equals del cross f equals I cap into s. What is the differentiation? Dou by dou y. So this is 0. Is it right? With respect to y, minus 3x, and here with respect to z, this is 0. Here minus 3x again. So minus of minus into minus plus 3x. Correct?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Minus j cap into with respect to x, this is 0. 3z square 0 minus 3y with respect to z again 3x square 0. You will get minus 3y, that minus into minus plus 3y, and the last one plus k cap into with respect to x, this is 0. With respect to x minus 3z and with respect
Plus
to y
3z.
3x square is 0 plus 3z. Okay, and you can see, you can observe all negative and positive get cancelled, and final answer is 0. Therefore curl f equals 0. Okay, so in this problem you have to calculate 3. One is first you have to calculate vector f, then after getting a vector f we have to calculate divergent and curl. Okay, so 3 sub problems in that. Yes. Yes, next problem. Next problem. Given f equals given f equals grad. So instead of a symbol, they may give in word format also. Grad of x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square minus x square y square z square at find div f at 1, 2, 3 at 1, 2, 3. So this is also like previous, and only one you have to calculate divergent at 1, 2, 3. Okay, if they ask curl also, that you can extend. Okay, So f is not given directly, they are given f is equal to grad phi. Okay, solution given f equals grad phi del phi, where phi equals x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square. Okay, so this is little bit lengthy terms we will get in a vector. Okay, first write down. So this implies f equals grad phi formula dou phi by dou x I cap plus dou phi by dou y j cap plus dou phi by dou z k cap. Yes. Now differentiate phi. So if you want, you can substitute phi for each dou by dou x of complete term x cube y plus y cube z plus z cube x minus x square y square z square. So same way you have to differentiate, you have to substitute for y. So that is equal to yes. Can you tell what is the answer? Dou phi by dou x. If I differentiate partially with respect to x, first term x is there. X cube differentiation is 3x square
3x
into
square
y.
y.
Right. Second term 0. Here plus z cube. No, plus z cube you will get now. Third term minus 2x y square z square. So complete this is I into I cap. Okay. So you will get a little bit lengthy. 3 terms you will get in each plus. Now the same way with respect to y. With respect to y, first term x cube. Second term plus y cube differentiation is 3y square z. This is 0. Third term 0. And here minus y square differentiation is 2y. No, 2. I will write in order. That's it. 2x square
y z square
into j cap plus last one. Okay, so I will write in the next line plus the last one with respect to z. First term 0, second term y cube.
Y cube. 3z square x.
3z square x or 3x square, whatever you follow, minus with respect to
x square
z,
y square z.
2 times
y square z.
y square z. Okay, into k cap. Yes. So this is as usual f1, f2 and f3. Okay. So that you denote. Next is this is f. So f equals. So we got. So if this is the problem for 6 marks, you have to calculate only f and divergent means 3 marks to calculate f and 3 marks to divergent. If they ask curl also, then it become 2 to 2. Or if it is 7 marks 2 to 3 like that. Okay. Since it is very lengthy, this equation, so curl is not asking. If they ask, you just follow the procedure. Okay, how to calculate curl f. Yes, now consider divergent f. Consider div f, nothing but del dot f, that is equal to formula dou f1 by dou x
f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z.
Dou z. Okay, so this is divergent means you should be very careful. It is a dot product. No I, j, k comes here. Okay, now substitute for this. Okay, because it is very simple divergent, we will take one more step. Dou by dou x of f1 nothing but 3x square y plus z cube minus 2 times x y square z square. This is dou by dou x plus dou by dou y of second one. x cube plus 3y square z minus 2x square y z square. This is second term plus third term dou by dou z of y cube minus 3z square x minus 2x square y square z. Okay, so that is equal to, let's differentiate. You will get partially with respect to x 6xy. Correct? X square differentiation is 2x. So 2 3 is a 6xy. This is 0. Z cube is 0 minus 2 times
2y square z square.
2y square z square. This is first one plus. So since there is no ijk here, so no need to write the bracket. If negative comes means we can write the bracket. Otherwise you can continue as it is. Now with respect to y, here x cube
6yz
0, 6yz
minus 2x square z square.
Very good. 2x square z square. Y differentiation is 1. Now with respect to z, y cube differentiation is 0 with respect to z. Here negative is there, so this comes minus. Okay, minus z square differentiation is 2z. 2 3 is 6zx or
x minus
plus
plus
6xz or zx minus 2
2x square y square.
2x square y
Y
square. So
square.
this is, yes, this is div. This is div. So is there any cancel here? No, all are different terms. Now point is given no, at x equals 1, y equals 2 and z equals 3. Yes, substitute and tell me the answer. So you take one more step, substitution like this 6 times x is 1 into y is 2 minus 2 times y square is 4 into z square is 9 plus 6 times y is 2 into z is 3 minus 2 into x square is 1 into z square is 9 minus 6 times xz, x is 1 and z is 3 minus 2 times x square is 1 square is 1 into y square, 2 square is 4. So that gives, this is 12 minus, what is this? 70, 72 plus 6 to 36
minus 18 plus
8 minus
18.
18, sorry,
Plus
minus 18, then minus 8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is it right? So this minus 18 plus 36 I can cancel, and remaining is 12 minus 8 is 4. You will get minus 68. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is div. Somehow you simplification is left to you. So I will not restrict you do in the same way. So just learn the procedure. The mathematics C become very simple. Learn the procedure, not the problem. Okay, the problem they may give in any way. So you should learn the procedure. So calculation of div f and curl f means we required f. How they will give f? If it is given directly, you consider, otherwise you find out f and substitute in the formula. Okay, so next
Excuse
problem.
me, sir.
Yes,
excuse
Sir, F3
there.
value is plus 3z z square x.
Yes, sir.
sorry, which one?
That F3 value, sir.
F3 value now. y cube
Dou
plus.
by dou z, sir.
Oh, sorry. This is
The
y
final
cube
answer
plus
is minus 32.
Minus
y
32,
cube.
sir.
Okay. Yeah. 1 minute. This is plus actually, third one. Then this is plus 6z. Okay, correct. Very good. Plus 6z. And here it is plus 18. Okay. So then this gives 18 plus 18 plus 18 and minus 8. Correct? Huh? Now 18 cancel. What is the answer?
Minus 32.
Minus 32. Minus 32. Yes. So because of that plus and minus, it will vary. Yeah, no problem. So that's why what I'm telling, it is a practice in a class. So whatever the right or wrong, you can learn here. Yes. Yes. Next problem. Will you calculate the same problem instead of going with the next problem? Will you calculate curl f? Okay, let me complete that. If they ask curl f, actually it is not there. Better you take that is also. Find div f and curl f also. Okay, calculate that. Now just change the question. We will complete that. What is curl f now? It's a practice. If they ask, it is a little bit lengthy, but let me see. We can go. So now consider the same problem. Okay, we will calculate the continuation of curl f. Curl f equals I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Yes, substitute this equation. Three x square y 3x square y plus z cube minus 2x y square z square, and second component is x cube plus 3y square z minus 2x square y z square, and third component is y cube plus 3 z square x minus 2x square y square z. Okay, yes, this is the determinant. Okay, plus minus plus. I will write direct answer, means differentiation. So just I will give some time. Will you do this problem? Correct. Write one more step. I cap into dou by dou y of y cube plus 3z square x minus 2x square y square z. Okay, similarly dou by dou z of. So just I will write the direct answer. Yes, I cap into Dou by dou y of this you will get like this 3y square. 3y square, second term 0, minus 4 x square yz. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Minus dou by dou z of this term. So with respect to z, x cube 0 plus 3y square.
3y square.
3y square minus 4 x square yz. Okay, minus j cap into so middle column and first row second column dou by dou x of this y cube plus 3z square x that you have to differentiate. So y cube differentiation is 0, 3z square x differentiation is 1, so 3z square minus x square differentiation is 2x, 2 2 is 4,
4x y square z.
y square
Y square z.
minus of, yes, with respect to z, you have to differentiate the first term. So 3x square y becomes 0 plus 3z square minus again z square differentiation is 2z. So 2 2 is 4x y square z. You can observe you will get the same term. So curl F gives 0. Okay, so let me see, but we can't conclude. Next plus k cap into the first row and last column. So dou by dou x of the middle term. Dou by dou x means 3x square. So second term becomes 0. 3y square z is 0 minus 4xyz square. So minus. So dou by dou y of first term. Dou by dou y means you will get yes. Dou by dou y of 3x square, you will get the same term 3x square because y differentiation is 1. 3x square z cube is 0 minus y square differentiation is 2, why not? 2 2s are 4x y z square. Correct? Huh? So you can observe here
Yes,
all
sir.
the terms get cancelled. Okay, same terms. So you will get curl F
0
equals 0. Curl F equals 0. So if they ask, okay, if it is the question, whatever it is, just try to analyze the problem and remember the procedure. Okay, so finally overview what we have to calculate, so you will get the idea. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
no sir.
So to solve one more problem, it will take time because minimum 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I will wind up today and I'll continue tomorrow. So anything? Any doubt?